So chat is everything on the right half, which includes at least 3 different things, right? That header business up at the top, as Kendall pointed out, the actual list of messages, which was either Terry or Chris. Chris? You said the whole thing, that's right. Yeah. And then the form, which was somebody. So at least 3 things, right? So let's start with that header. Why not? And I'm going to call it chat header. So let's make a new component called capital C chat capital H header.js. It's a React component, so I know I have to import React and component from React. I need a class called capital C chat capital H header that extends component. Before I forget, I export default chat header. And I need a render method that is going to return some JSX. And I am going to put a div with a class that is named exactly what my component is named. Now, there's not that much in here, so maybe we can actually put the real content in there. Well, it's placeholder, because I'll still hard code the name of the general chat room. But if we look at our static HTML over here, where is that? Here we go. We can just do that. So I'll copy this inner div here, class room info. I'll just paste that in there. See anything we need to fix? Yeah? Gosh darn right we do. And if you'd forgotten, it would complain at you if you had your DevTools open. It's not an error, just a warning. But if you have your DevTools open and the chat header were actually on the page, which it isn't yet, it would give you a warning. So let's see that warning before we fix it. So where are we going to import chat header? Not main this time, because we're breaking up chat, right? So directly into chat. So I'm going to switch over to that file real quick, and I'm going to stop using the navigation on the left because that takes too long. We have too many files now. So I'm going to use Command P, the fuzzy finder, just start typing any part of a file name, jump straight to it. There we go. Super fast. Need to get back to app. There's app. Need to get back to chat. There's chat. Super fast. So I'm going to import chat header from /chat header. And I'll go ahead and throw it in there. Chat header cheddar. And there I see my warning. Now it still works. I see my header here. But it says invalid DOM property class. Did you mean class name? Now, since everything still works, you may not have noticed that if you didn't have your DevTools open. That's another reason to have your DevTools open. And thankfully, it tells us exactly where the problem is. Chat header line 7. Here we are. Chat header line 7. Class should be class name. There we go. Warning goes away. Add chat header component.